stay with you every night. Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night. Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night. Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night. Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night.
Will you lose weight if all you eat is taho? So you just have taho like once a day? So you're gonna elevate it?
Oh yeah, I got this one too. It's nice. Oh. Look at this. I did it again. They're huge. That is a covered milliono for the trip. Look how big those trees are.
Where's Arlene? Arlene's not here?
She's in a meeting. Yep, did it again. Yep, got me some more. Look at that lilac colored bonsai bougainvillea. Got some of these big guys here. Look like I've been living there for a while. Got some of these. They'll grow up to a variegated rubber tree. It'll look pretty. I'm going to shape it as it grows. I'm going to get a whole bunch more tea plants. But yeah, we got some, I think all that she had, 7 lemons. American lemons. Well, I don't know if it's American, but it's big. Another bonsai there. Some more there. But check out the size of these lemons. I got some sacks of dirt. Check out the size of the lemons out of that tree. Look at that. Free lemons. Big. And she said they grow bigger than that. Oh, lordy, lordy.
Ready, hon?
Yeah.
We gotta come back in.
This is 5 feet, 6 feet tall.
Move it up.
That's my prize.
I'm gonna
It's
bring
called Miliona.
This is your
I'm gonna plant that somewhere central in the house. I don't know where yet. It'll come to me. But that is, I got it at a good price. Probably 1/3 the price of what they sell them in the malls. There's a little damage from the typhoon, but it'll come back. What I like about it is those like orange red stems as it grows. Nice contrast. Picked up that other, I forgot we got that. That's a pretty bougainvillea. See, it's like a bonsai. All of these. All of them pretty much. So, hi there. Time check, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, I went back to the nursery to pick up the second batch that we picked out yesterday. Filled up the truck. We're back here at the property. Did some little errands, but I see something nice already. You might get excited just the way I did. Check this out. Check this out. Hold on a second. Check this out. Ooh, you see a finished roof? Look at that. That edging is 4 layers. 4 layers underneath. I counted it as they installed it. Pretty amazed. It's a good looking roof. I even like that. Let's go look. Also, the layering, the walls, just getting more stuff done to it. Let's check it out. Nice. Ronaldo.
Yes, sir.
Nice haircut. You got it tight, huh? Short?
Short.
Look at that. That's a new wall. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers in different pockets in between. Lots of places to put all those plants. I call this my dinosaur egg on a nest. It's a found rock, found jewel. They were gonna go, good thing I was here, take that riprap and just go on top. I said no, go behind it, show the rock. It's looking good. I also see some stair work done. Let's check that out. Look at that. Nice.
Mayong hapon, sir.
Mayong hapon.
Mayong hapon, sir.
Hi, Cesar. Mayong hapon. Mayong hapon.
Martin. Mayong hapon.
There's Martin. Mr. Pogi.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Pugi.
Pogi Martin.
Sir.
He's Pogi too. Look at that. Nice sexy curve.
6 corb.
Sexy. I like.
Thank you, sir.
We'll call that the Martin steps. Look at that. A lot of steps in this place, huh? A lot of stonework, brickwork, concrete work. Definitely have to soften up with all those plants. I gotta buy more. I'm not done. Let's see what's going on down here. Ooh. Look at that. Yes. Bigger patio. Nice. Let's go down. They're working over there. Mayong hapon. Let's see how far Ian got. Oh yeah. Getting higher and higher. A lot of trabajo. Cool. Starting to look more finished every day. Good. Let's see what else is going on. I know there's some work on the side there. Let's go over there. Gotta bend underneath these scaffoldings. Hit my head a couple times already. Still haven't learned my lesson. Oh yeah. More posts. They had some beams there, I guess. Nice. A lot of dirt being thrown that way now. Good. Gonna connect that area to over here. Another overcast day today. I like these kind of days. It's cool. No humidity. It's very nice. So I see a lot of work done. It's getting there. I have to buy a lot of equipment. Fridge, freezer, water cooler, plugs, but a lot of stuff to be done. We'll get it done. Look at those steps at the end of this pathway. Nice. Very nice. I likes it. Functional rustic, I call it. I didn't see this detail. It's nice. Curved it to meet the rock. Yep, everybody knows what I like. Look at that little bonsai. That's an epil tree, I think. Blown away, but looks like a little bonsai right now. As you can tell, I like bonsais. But yeah, it's getting there. Got edging on the roof. Nice. The water is a little calm today. You can see the bottom. This is why we built here. That's the reason why. They're burning some leaves. It smells good. Kamigan Island is somewhere there. We are getting there. Once the sliding doors and the windows get put in, there'll be a little more finished paint. Some finished concrete work. Tackling this. All this dirt will be used for a layering effect. I stopped at the Kubo bar and had to stay for a bit. This is why. Listen to the sound of that. Look at the sound. I mean, look at the sound. Listen. Hear the sound. There's my view. There is a lot of coral reefs out there. That'll be some of my content later. When Zach and Kelly, Zach's girlfriend Kelly, comes here. They're both scuba divers. They both got good cameras. We will film it. And we'll see what's down there. A lot of locals, even the Coast Guard and the guy that's in charge of the reefs over here says this is one of the best areas. There's a lot of reefs back there. So it's Thursday the 10th. We'll end it here. A lot of stuff going on. I'm so glad. Anxious, but patient. Because we got to make this look good. And different ideas pop into my head every time I come by. I stop by here every day. Love the crew. Love you guys. So take care and see you tomorrow. Peace.